to be and Chief Justice Parliament and other related issues. No, yeah, about to as well.
Maybe a day who say Chief Justice a court, no. That is the day I because my mom is serious, and she has never been serious. Debbie, a process has been activated. The process now was slotted into the Constitution by the framers of the Constitution because they envisaged the possibility of somebody becoming even a president and as a Chief Justice. At some point in time, the person may go rogue.
May go what?
Rogue. Like, what free men are quite so, yeah, the open.
What you see, off road.
What you see,
yeah.
So the constitutional framers thought it wise to insert clauses about the removal of such person no are possible within the confines of the Constitution. I just open the two name you were free of. And that process, now I don't make catch say president to be anyone working to remove any Chief Justice. Constitution no matter but the president need 2 minutes to remove Chief Justice and it only becomes activated when the president is petitioned.
Yeah.
So when the president is petitioned, his powers to remove Chief Justice becomes activated by making sure that the said petition is referred to Council of State.
Council of State, yeah.
And the Council of State will work on the petition to establish whether there is a merit, credence in the said petition. After establishing that merit, then they will counsel the president on the next line of action to take. And in the Constitution, it is quite clear, explicit, written, say, the Council of State, it may establish, say, indeed there is a merit. The next line of action is that we need to set up a committee. That committee, no do man say, Omubasha say, President, from the beginning of this hub and Constitution is such say you set up a committee now. There is a discretionary constitutional power that has been given to the president alone. And this is written in ink in the Constitution.
Yeah.
It is a discretionary power that has been given to the president. Say you who's a merit to a case, subsequently, the president to me either to allow the woman to stay or allow the woman to stay behind. That is a discretionary power that has been given to the president. And nobody anybody may take away that power from the president. So this is the process that far. As at this point, Obiam Chief Justice said what your friend saying what for an answer anyway.
Sure.
Petition has been flowing among Hong Kong because we live in a liberal society where people can express their opinion, whatever. Diverse opinion does not incriminate the Chief Justice. Then that's already we are told say Chief Justice say or the president and under the Constitution wouldn't mean sue president, in his state, you sue the Attorney General.
Yeah.
The process is now you go through normal from and some of the process in the say one, Council of State. Yes, sir. Premier Fasia and as a credence no more to establish a petition or merit, and it should be declared null and void. So my question is for that process to be declared null and void, it means the process now, you taking that decision, there was some infringement to be an allocation somewhere along the line. My free said, and I'm said, from somewhere went, because you say you can't build nothing out of it, nothing.
Yeah.
You can't build something out of nothing. But there must be an infringement. There must be a constitutional infraction that has been occasioned somewhere along the process. And it is on that basis that you call for your friends, a young question, the eventual decision that has been taken. But no such error has been occasion. And again, the Chief Justice, we are the administrative head of the judiciary, today have the guts to tell Ghana of what's it. The young judges, what the panel also have the tendency to be biased against her. You see, as an administrative head of the judiciary, when you make such pronouncement, it questions your integrity as a head of that particular institution.
Because it means exposed to mockery and
exactly. You become an article of public mortification and public ridicule, because this is the very judiciary you are fighting. Say, changing chairs here, my Chief Justice. But today you are telling us, the people there now are biased. na because my head here corner there is no way these people can the question is on what basis? Because for you to say JB and this a man radio your friends TV way so na me baha your friends me pesa me be way no it I need to premise that particular thing on idea ba ko na me bi JB and no ntimi free say over bias against me boy. You can't just build something out of nothing. And this is a CJ, an administrative head. It's not just a judge. An idea all so it confirms the long-held notion Ghana for what's it. You do this, you're dirty, and you're filthy. Decisions every hall, but Sabinian said them, and until Ghana for took to social media, and they were questioning some of them. Ruling coming from the Supreme Court. Yanti Kroman and the Supreme Court, a man for 2 days. Unanimous FC. Yeah. People could predict ruling, then as a forum. Ruling bar, people can just subject to basic element of reasoning, logic, common sense, and you see, say, logic in him, common sense in him, reasoning is missing in the ruling that is coming from the Supreme Court, the apex court of the land. For instance, you say birth certificate, and your primary document, I bet you just saw your Ghana, but traveling document, their passport to no mom dear, Nasabi, Bibin Kokan Bibia. Will you say that? Because me working at the hospital, what I know is that you give birth to Obia. It's not because you are Ghana into we are Ghana. Yeah. Parents in a Nippon way in a bachelor, baby are free, now that thing will be written. So if you are looking for any primary document, it just say indeed the person is a Ghanaian. It cannot be passport. Passport is a traveling document. So you don't need passport. Oh, you go to America, there are a lot of people, they don't even have passport. Ghana has a passport. So Supreme Court cannot say we need passport. So these were some of the decisions coming. People felt that these decisions were silly decisions. And to confirm it, go to social media and look at the kind of anger out for Ghana for a poll. All the polls that were done in this country, people were saying that you need trust our judiciary. It means that over the years, papa. The judiciary is sinking, and I'm telling you, the judiciary is one of the foundational institutions of our democracy. Right. We cannot lose it, and this is the point. And again, JB,